on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. They played the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
played the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They played the mash.
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin Drac's voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
What's one thing that you're excited for the Halloween fair?
Oh, it's just bringing everybody in. You're gonna have so many people, just like every year, and this is an annual event that we're so proud of. So that's one exciting thing.
Thank you.
Larchmont's dance team, and we have a special performance for y'all. So, come on!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Got me feeling you, nothing might do. Never gonna get that back. Now I know you wanna help me. You wanna know where we were, can't have me 'cause I left. But we were can't have me 'cause I'm gone. Better things to do for my time. Better things to do for my time. Do for my time. It's my anniversary. I'm sorry. Oh, but you both know. We're like a poor boy. Won't you see what the money the money
I'm excited for the Monster Hallway.
It's close to midnight.